Meaning of entitlement.
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 Entitlement. Entitlement refers to a belief that one is deserving of certain privileges or benefits. This can manifest in various forms, such as feeling entitled to special treatment or opportunities due to one's status or background. Entitlement can lead to a sense of entitlement mentality, where individuals feel entitled to rewards without putting in the necessary effort or work. This attitude can breed an unhealthy sense of entitlement, which can be detrimental to personal growth and relationships. It is important to recognize and address entitlement behavior in oneself and strive to foster a more balanced and realistic outlook.